Vice President.
How is life in Syria? Yeah. Interesting.
Forward maybe to invite you to visit the institution again in
Yeah.
the future.
Okay. Waaw xale yi saafara yi ñoo leen di sore.
La moutarde moom da ngay war.
Parce que moutarde moom kenn xamul ah. Vous avez la présentation ici. Oui. Dëgg dëgg.
waaw waaw def naa leen.
De sa présentation, c'est bon?
C'est bleu.
You have the translation, right? Who's the interpreter? You have an interpreter? You have someone? No, they don't understand French. The visit, and we are very thankful for that visit. It was very, very knowledgeable. You know, we had a lot of exchange, scientific exchange with the colleagues of Henan Institute, and we decided that day that we're going to have a researcher from Henan Institute to come to Senegal so we can discuss more about the partnership between the two institutes. And that's why I'm very happy today that you made the decision to come to Senegal. And welcome to Senegal, because this is a country of what we call Teranga. Teranga means it's a very welcoming country. Senegalese are renowned to be very nice people, you know, so that's why I'm welcoming you to this country, which is a very peaceful country. And also we're doing a lot of research for farmers, for livestock, for crop production, for fisheries, for forestry. ISRA is a big institute, and I guess you have the opportunity from the scientific director to show you a little bit of ISRA, what we are doing, and from there you're going to make your presentation. So we can see all the area, we can, you know, we start with Sesame. It's not we're going to stop on Sesame. we start on Sesame, you can move to Groundnut, you're going to move to other areas where we think that we have merging interests between Henan and Israel. Thank you once again to be here on the name of the Minister of Agriculture. We're trying to get the appointment because he was very busy yesterday with the president. Yeah, that's why I'm not getting the message from him to say at this time of the day he's going to meet you. And I'm still working on it because I couldn't talk to him yesterday because the meeting with the president, the president. So I'm waiting for him to tell me what time we're going to meet. If not, we're going to find other meetings so we can, we don't waste time. Because we researchers, we don't waste time. We want to use our time to do good things. So if the meeting is not set up properly, we're going to, I guess you are here for 3 days, right? Today, tomorrow. You're leaving on?
Thursday.
Departure on Sunday? Oh, well. Tomorrow. You're leaving on tomorrow. So we're going to do the most we can do for you to go. Yeah, definitely. We have so many people around this table. I guess it's good for everybody to introduce himself very quickly so we know who is here. Just like I'm introducing myself as Dr. Alin Fall, we met already. I'm the DG of ISRA, which is the Agricultural Research Institute, the National Agricultural Research Institute. For the whole Senegal, we are working for the whole Senegal. So this is the headquarters. This is where the headquarters is. And in every region, you're going to see the presentation from the scientific director. We have a research center in every region. So you see, but this is the headquarters for all those research centers. So I'm the DG of that institution. Maybe if you can go this way or go this way.
To invite us to visit Senegal. So now I give a brief introduction of our delegators to everyone.
Yeah.
This is our president of Henan Academy of Agricultural Sciences, Dr. Wei Mengguan. Yeah, University of the biggest. I'm Hong Miao. I'm from Henan Sesame Research Center, Henan Academy of Agricultural Sciences. This is Professor Wei, Biology, and this is Dr. Zheng Yongzhan, Professor Zheng Yongzhan.
Thank you very much.
He already presented. Only two things: feed animals and real poultry. Okay, he's a big man in his side. Following is Mr. Sanjay Nijani, which is our big accountant. I can say that it is the Ministry of Finance of Islam. The lady, the big lady, is Madame Budgeting Control and Auditing, which is a big lady. His name is Dr. Cheikh Tidiane Diop. He's in charge of presentation for fair and all genetic biological genetics. And Dr. also genetics, and he works on coffee and sorghum also. So you have Madam Jack. Fofana, she is in charge of justice. We work in IT technician, communication IT. Whenever is a big lady work in Secretary General role. That's what told me. Very good.
Of Sesame production. Okay, thank you for the presentation. And after that, I'll give the president. What do you want to do?
To enhance the cooperation with two countries, so here the delegators come to Senegal to do the communicate.
感谢贵方的邀请和热情的接待。
to your institute for your warm reception invitation.
我把河南，和我们河南农科院的情况来简单的给各位专家和领导介绍一下。
So here I give a brief introduction of Henan Academy of Agricultural Sciences to everyone and leaders, to every leaders.
河南省来地处中国的中部有1.2亿亩耕地。
Henan lies in the center of China and contains 0.12 billion mu land area, that is 8 million hectare land.
是中国的人口大省、农业大省、粮食大省和农产品加工大省。
Henan is a big province on population, agriculture, food production, and agriculture production. Until 2017, the population of Henan exceeds 1 billion.
粮食总产超过了5000万吨。
And the total exports of grain seeds reached to more than
5000万。
500 billion. 500 billion.
500 billion
kilogram.
hectare.
占中国粮食总产量的1/10。
And occupies 10% of national total food production.
其中小麦产量占中国的27%。
Of which the output of wheat takes up 27% of national wheat total production.
河南省农科院呢，隶属于河南省人民政府。
HAS is supervised by Henan provincial government
始建于1909年，
and was established in 1909.
是中国重要的农业科研单位之一。
And HAS is the one most important agricultural science research organization in China.
农科院下面呢设小麦、粮食、经济作物等14个研究机构。
HAS is comprised of 14 research institutes, including wheat, cereal crops, and other total 14 institutes.
全院有1100多名职工。
There are 1,200 staffs in our academy,
其中科技人员呢有670多名。
of which the scientists and technicians about 678.
研究员、副研究员呢有360多人。
And the senior researchers, which is about 365.
河南省农科院呢在小麦、玉米、棉花、花生、芝麻等农作物新品种选育及应用方面，在中国农业上成绩是比较突出的。
Our academy had made great progresses in new variety breeding and application of wheat, maize, cotton, peanut, and sesame in China.
这个为河南和黄海地区粮面油的生产提供了科技支撑。
And supplies the technological support on food, cotton, and plant oil production in Henan province.
今天就芝麻来说吧，中国是世界上最重要的芝麻生产国家。
So today, as for our concern topic, sesame, China is one of the most important sesame production countries in the world.
年种植面积呢800万亩，总产量呢约70万吨。
The annual sesame cultivation area of China is 800 million mu, that is about 0.5 million hectare. And
Yeah.
主要在分布在中国中部的4个省河南、安徽、湖北和江西。
sesame is mainly cultivated in 4 provinces: Henan, Anhui, Hubei, and Jiangxi province.
其中河南省芝麻种植面积常年在280万亩左右。
Of which the harvest area in Henan province is 2.8 million mu, that is 0.18 million hectare.
是全国重要的芝麻主产区。
Is the most important sesame production area.
我原来芝麻研究中心呢是全国专业从事芝麻科研的机构。
Henan Sesame Research Center is the sesame research organization in China.
中心下设芝麻种植资源、遗传育种、耕作栽培以及产业体系建设。
Sesame Center includes sesame germplasm, genetics, breeding, cultivation, and industry system construction sections.
在这里呢，我也荣幸地向你们介绍我们张海洋博士。
So here, I'm honored to introduce Dr. Haiyang Dang.
张海洋博士是我们中心的主任，同时呢，也是中国特色油料研究领域的首席科学家。
He's the director of Sesame Research Center and also the specific oilseed scientist-in-chief in China.
芝麻研究中心一直主持着国家重大的芝麻科研项目。
So there's many sesame research projects are organized by Sesame Research Center.
是中国芝麻等特色油料科研工作的牵头单位。
So Henan Sesame Research Center is the leading institute in sesame research in China.
也是国家特色油料产业技术研发中心的建设依托单位。
And is also constructed as a national specific oilseeds industry technology research center.
在品种选育和推广应用研究方面，先后选育出了玉子5号、玉子8号、玉子9号、玉子11号，等14个芝麻新品种。
As for new sesame variety breeding and cultivation techniques extension, so our center has bred Yuzhi 5, 8, 9, 11, such with 14 sesame varieties.
我们张博士的团队还选育出了国内外第一个有食用价值的芝麻杂交种。
So Dr. Zhang's team has bred the first sesame hybrid worth of application in the field.
建立了芝麻地膜覆盖、春播、麦冷套种等4种高产高效、规范化的栽培模式。
And established 4 cultivation models with high efficiency and effect, including film mulching, sprint cultivation, intercropping, and some cultivation techniques.
创造出了亩产251.8公斤的世界最高纪录。
And we created the highest record of sesame yield to 251.8 kg per mu. That is 3,777 kg per hectare.
三年加来是当前世界花生的主产国。
And Senegal is one of the main peanut production countries.
在全球花生芝麻生产方面来占据着重要地位。
And it takes the important position for peanut and sesame production in the world.
在芝麻等农业科研方面，这个3年加的科学家和我们中国的科学家开展了较深入的基础研究合作，并发表了多篇科技论文。
As for sesame and other crops research, Senegal scientists collaborate with Chinese sesame scientists and other scientists on sesame and other crops-based research and published many papers.
为推动芝麻等油料作物遗传技术研究奠定了坚实的基础。
And gave the sound foundation for sesame and other oil seeds basic research.
我们希望通过这一次的访问能更好的推动我们和3年加科学家们之间的学术交流进一步来探讨合作的途径和方式，共同来开创我们世界芝麻和特色油料科研生产贸易的美好明天。
Therefore, I hope that this visit will strengthen the scientific communication between Chinese and Senegal scientists and explore the possibilities of the cooperation in sesame scientific research, production, and trade in the future.
也诚恳地邀请姚海德先生到河南去访问
So I sincerely invite your head, your leaders to visit China, Henan, at your convenience.
欢迎法尔先生再次到河南去。
I welcome you to come to China again.
Okay, thank you.
欢迎我们三代家的各位专家到河南去访问。
Thank you.
And welcome every Sengan scientist to go to Henan. Thank
谢谢。
you. Thank you.
Design and execution of research programs on crops production, forestry, animals, fishery, sociology, and rural economy. Generate scientific knowledge on technological innovation and development of tools for decisions. In the last year, we had Senegal agro-climatic whole Senegalese country. Yield of some varieties, some that are big healthy, about 4 tons, and work of some breed like millet and so on. That is it. Talking about animals' health and protection.
Status of the best success breeding research in China. Maybe everyone knows China is a very important sesame production country. And I know, I just asked Madame about Dr. Dosa. Here I give the very brief introduction about Henan Academy of Agriculture Sciences. Maybe all the most scientists have not been to China. Here, this is the Henan province. It's a sesame production region in China. So this is also the traditional sesame production region. Academy. Maybe gospel.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, very big. Including our. Including our statistical table about the world sesame production, and we know that now we know that especially for all these sesame production, they only cultivate 1 time 1 year, yeah, and this is the double cropping per year. So when we harvest, especially in Henan, we harvest wheat, so we sow sesame seeds and cultivate sesame. And in some regions, we also do the intercropping. Sesame sweet potato, sesame peanuts, and this sesame soybean. And in the south of China, there are double type of cropping is irrigation kind of because there are all these regions always so much storm. And now, certain production also faces so many problems, including waterlogging, drought, weight control, and hurricane logging, and disease, and mechanization. All these may be the same objective in the world of research production countries. It's the highest record in China, in Zhumadian region. The picture is taken in 2015, right? So the plant height, the low number. Yeah, maybe this is the highest record of the sesame yield in the world. But now we also faces the same reason, same problems about production. All these Chinese sesame varieties must face the same improved adaptation for mechanization. At that time, the sesame scientists focused on the material, so maybe they create the herbicide to let the leaves fall down, and they use the combine to collect all the consuming seeds together. Because all these varieties applied use the indehiscent varieties, different from our varieties. Can see that? Capsule only contains very little, and so most of seeds are contained in the capsules. Still, when so many resins cannot affect the seeds. And we have introduced this. All the machine, all the combine can used to harvest Here, we set up the Sesame Mutation Library with EMS chemical mutation engines, and we create the new varieties with has a very short nose length, and the flat height region from 1.1 to 1.6 meter, and C4 region. Here. The variety is a traditional, a normal variety, not the indehiscent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you can, I think you can use it in Senegal, in Africa, countries.
This is 2018, this year?
2018, this year, this summer. In our experiment station, Yuanyang experiment station, it is this step. It's no indehiscent.
You have one?
Yeah, we have ordinary, right? Yeah.
But the one we do how will you say the history of the world?
And at the same time, we established the Sesame Blackfish system and constructed by our academy and the PME government. So the conference committee want to get the doctorate degree study so we can apply for this. And this also beginning in 2019.
Is here. We used to work together on Sesame. And I'm going to firstly present to you the different agro-ecological zones in Senegal. Here is the Senegal map with Gambia inside in the central region of Senegal. Despite the low yield, generally due to inappropriate farming practice, the farmers begin to show big interest in this crop. That's why intensification component is a national agricultural program. That's why the varieties that have the high content of protein is LC1762 and kg sesame to have 1 liter. But the machine is not finished yet. We have some minor problems we have to improve in this machine. Professor Jagan is here, very important.
The overview of the East African breeding program, not the groundnut improvement, because if you say groundnut machinery, you might talk about others disciplinary that might have impact on the improvement of the crop. But I will put a focus for farmers with cereals like corns, resistant to the diseases like early leaf spot, rust, and rosette.
Important agricultural production. Dr. Miao and me come here, find many sesame production information. In future, we hope our economy and Sanjar agriculture unit cooperate, study and research sesame breeding and sesame-based peace program. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Bon, c'est un commentaire. Vous di passe élément bi da ngeen koy traduire
Il a remercié, il est content.
Voilà, après ngeen gisante que
alors donc une question. Une seule question rek bon ci jotaay bi lan la fi retenir.
non dafay compliqué. bàyyi jëlee li mu wax rek.
Ok.
Yes. Après ngeen traduire.
Troisième question.
Voilà, ok. Cadre de la commercialisation, notamment l'exportation d'arachide en Chine, j'ai eu à faire une mission avec le secrétaire général du ministre de l'Agriculture pour voir un peu comment améliorer l'exportation d'arachide en Chine. Vous savez, le Sénégal, dans le volet agricole du PRACAS, notamment du PSE, à travers le PRACAS, l'exportation de l'arachide est une opportunité de génération de recettes pour les producteurs, et notamment pour écouler la production que nous faisons ici au Sénégal. Le sésame, tout le monde sait qu'il y a des opportunités d'affaires dans le sésame, et le Sénégal même exporte du sésame en Chine. Mais en termes de volume de production, surtout le sésame, les volumes sont encore très faibles comparés à l'arachide. Donc nos amis de Henan et collègues, ils vont venir nous appuyer dans nos programmes de sélection, de voir un peu comment on peut trouver les variétés les plus adaptées pour nos zones agroécologiques et faire en sorte que le sésame que nous produisons au Sénégal puisse être une variété, en cas un produit que l'on peut orienter vers les marchés, notamment au niveau international. Nous voulons avec le sésame arriver au même niveau de productivité que l'arachide, parce que le sésame, comme je vous l'ai dit, il y a beaucoup d'opportunités d'affaires, notamment dans l'agroalimentaire et surtout l'extraction de l'huile. Donc nous allons privilégier ces deux aspects, agroalimentaire et extraction de l'huile. Donc c'est pour ça, dans le cadre de ce programme, nous travaillons en partenariat avec l'ITA, qui s'occupe des aspects biochimiques, nous dire effectivement les variétés que nous sélectionnons ici au Sénégal, est-ce que c'est des variétés qui ont la qualité sur le plan nutritionnel. Et nous voulons aussi qu'avec l'Institut de Henan, spécialisé dans l'arachide et le sésame, qu'on fait des échanges de matériel végétal qui nous permettent aussi de sélectionner les variétés les plus productives et les plus nutritionnelles au niveau de leur banque de gènes. Je crois que ça c'est très très important et nous allons les tester dans les zones agroécologiques du Sénégal et faire en sorte que les producteurs puissent disposer de matériel végétal compétitif sur le marché international. Je crois que ça, c'est un programme très très important dans le cadre du plan Sénégal émergent, notamment en termes de génération d'emplois, parce qu'il ne faut pas oublier mettre un programme au niveau national va créer beaucoup d'emplois, aussi bien dans la production, avec en tout cas l'agrobusiness qui va s'y intéresser, et dans la transformation, parce qu'on va créer des emplois dans l'agroalimentaire et dans la commercialisation. Je crois que ces aspects-là vont être pris en compte dans le cadre de ce protocole qui devrait permettre au ministre de l'Agriculture et de l'Équipement rural d'avoir un programme cohérent autour du sésame, alimenté par bien sûr la sélection variétale pour mettre des variétés productives à la disposition des producteurs. Donc voilà un peu ce que nous avons fait ce matin avec les collègues qui sont venus de l'Académie des sciences agricoles de Henan, avec l'ISRA. Nous pensons que dans l'avenir, nous allons mettre en tout cas à la disposition des principaux acteurs du matériel végétal, du sésame de haute qualité. Bien entendu, après le sésame, nous envisageons de signer avec eux un autre protocole sur l'arachide, parce que aussi ils ont beaucoup de compétences sur l'arachide. Et je pense que des variétés que nous avons déjà vues en Chine quand nous avons visité l'Institut, nous allons aussi faire des échanges sur le plan matériel végétal avec l'arachide et faire en sorte que les producteurs aussi qu'on puisse leur donner le matériel végétal qui leur permette d'arriver au niveau de production qui sont affichés dans les politiques agricoles, notamment à travers le PRACAS. Je vous ai tout dit.
Ok, merci beaucoup.
Benn question bu ngeen. waaw donc tey moom ndaje bu am solo la ñu def fii ISRA parce que sunu ay naataangoo yu nekk Chine notamment institut bi ñuy tuddee Henan xam nga ISRA moom Sénégal lañ mais foofu soo fa demee notamment am na institut bu am solo boo xam ñoom seen xam-xam li mu màcc mooy gën a nekk ci bene ak gerte bene ak gerte nag lu am solo la soo ko seetee tamit fii ci Sénégal baykatu gerte yi xam ngeen ñoom dañuy jaay seen gerte ba Chine ba tey ñu ngi jéem a seet rek fu la ñu mën a jëlee ay variétés yoo xam ne day gën a yokk rendement yi gën a yokk production bi léegi su ñëwee ci beneen tamit lu am solo la parce que xam ngeen ni am na dëwlin bi ñu ciy génne nit ñi tamit dinañ koy jëfandikoo ci mbirum lekk man ñu wax agroalimentaire te loolu tamit am na ñu ci bari ñu ciy yëngatu loolu nag la ñu bëgg tamit mbay moom a gën a mën jëm kanam parce que mbay moom soo koy seetee ni ñu ko waxee ci dans le plan Sénégal émergent dafay permettre ñu mën a créer ay emplois yu bare pour xale yi mën a am fu ñu liggéey ñu tamit nekk ci ak ñu def transformation tamit am loo xam ne suñ ko jëlee dinañ ko mën def ci seen li ñuy transformer pour gën ko mën a jaay ñi nga xam ne tamit dañ koy bëgg a jaay bitim réew comme ni ñu koy defee ci gerte ñoom tam ñu xool nan lañ ko mën a yóbbu bitim réew jaay ko Chine sax ci boppam commencé nañ fa jaay Bénin parce que ñoom tamit soxal na leen trop ñoom nag ñooy premier producteur mondial ci Bénin mais teewul dañuy importer tamit Bénin pour gën a mën a yokk seen transformation ci mbirum agroalimentaire foofu en Chine donc ñun dinañ liggéey fii donc pour que producteurs yi fi nekk am Bénin boo xam ni dina joxe rendement bu am solo rendement boobu nag mu permettre ñu mën a jaay bitim réew comme aussi jaay fii ci biir réew mi ba nga xamee ni producteurs yi ci nekk dinañ ci gis seen bopp transformateurs yi ci nekk tamit dinañ ci gis seen bopp ñun nag ISRA nag suñu liggéey tamit ci loolu la mooy nan la ñu mën a defee ba génn ay technologie ay innovation maanaam ay yi nga xamee ni suñu leen ko joxee ñoom dinañ ci gis seen njëriñ loolu nag moo tax ñu suñu MOU bi tey maanaam li nga xam ne këyit boo xam ne daf ñuy lënkale ñu nag waa ENAN ñi nga xam ne Chine lañu nekk ce qui fait que liggéey bi gën a mën a jëm kanam ñu yaakaar ni ci ñoom dinañu mën a weccoo ay xeetu benn yi nga xam ne ni ñun dinañ ko mën a jëfandikoo fii yi nga xam ne rendement yi dina gën a mën a yokk ñoom tamit suñu gisee ci li ñu am fii ci façon benn xëy na dina leen intéressé ce qui fait weccoo donc lay doon je pense que loolu suñ ko jëmalee kanam mbay beneen dina gën a jëm kanam Sénégal et puis ci njëriñu baykat yi. booy mooy li ma wax rek loo xam ne dafay jëmale bay beneen kanam dinañ ko def ñoom su ngeen gisee tey ci seen présentation wane nañu ci mbirum mécanisation ñoom déjà am nañu ay machines yoo xam ni ñoom ñooy góob bene bi ñoom ñooy récolter bene bi te ñun amaguñu ko nag parce que ñu ngi ciy liggéey ba léegi mais beneen dafa laaj yenn xeetu bene yoo xam ni dafay nangu loolu xeetu bene yi nga xam dafay nangu mécanisation boobu ca ba mu jotee waaw ci loolu nag la ñuy liggéey te defe naa dinañ jot xeetu benn ci ñoom ñu testé ko fi ñu xool ce qui fait que tamit day ñëw mécanisation te loolu suñ ko defee defe naa ni dina gën a jëmee bay bi kanam producteur dinañ ci gën a kontaan.
Merci.
C'est bon? Yes, I'm going to. Okay, go ahead.
今年来到3年加2这个农科院来，我们非常高兴。今天上午来，大家来，我们专家们进行了这个专题报告而且呢，我们河南省农科院来跟3年加2这个农科院来又签订了友好合作协议合作协议的签订呢，标志着我们下一步合作的深度和广度都将进一步拓展，必将会推动我们整个芝麻产业的发展推动我们这个3年加2和我们河南农业合作领域的拓宽。
Just get close so you can translate.
So let me briefly translate.
Yes.
So, our president said today we are very delighted to come to Senegal to do the communication with Senegalese scientists. And today, both Chinese scientists and the Senegalese scientists give a very splendid presentation about sesame and peanuts research. So here we also signed the MOU between Chinese scientists and Senegalese scientists. So we expect the cooperation between our two countries will be enhanced, and the widest of the cooperation will be enhanced. So we expect the future cooperation will improve the sesame industry in the future. And so that's all.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
C'est bon? Après, on traduit.